doors up, Lamborghini doors up this time. Jack, we say sneak peeks in me, talking shit about me. Already got what you needed, I guess. It's killing me. You say you done with me, you must already got what you needed, I guess. Real talk. That's why I'm not with nobody, 'cause I don't wanna kill nobody. Hard to keep it cool when you try me. I got a lot of love for you, mommy. I know you tryna be somebody, but you ain't gotta diss nobody. Nah, for real. Yes, I'm drinking, yes, I'm faded. What? It's how I ease my pain. I know I should be treated like this. Not like this, hell no. You try to play me like I ain't famous. You try to play me like I don't pop shit. I don't pop shit. You try to play me like an option, knowing that I'm exclusive, ain't nothing basic. You wanna be with me silent.
What is up, you guys? Hopefully you enjoyed like that quick little lookbook styling the Balenciaga Triple S's. I kind of wanted to just end this video with a super quick, informal first impressions / quick review on the Balenciaga Triple S's that I picked up. Keep in mind, this is definitely not gonna be like some in-depth full review on like everything. I kind of just wanted to, you know, share with you guys like my thoughts and kind of give you like a quick story time as to like why I bought them, my thought process when I was picking them up and stuff. If you guys do want like a full in-depth review on the Triple S's, give me some time to, you know, kind of like wear them out and see how they wear. And you know, as time goes on, if you guys still want that video, just let me know, drop a comment down below, and I'll go ahead and make like that formal, super in-depth, super detailed Balenciaga Triple S unboxing / full review. But like I said, right now we're just gonna keep things super casual, and I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys and just kind of show you guys, you know, what it comes with and just kind of like my first impressions. So I have the box right here. So this is what it came in. I actually went to Total Kyle here in downtown Seattle to pick it up, and major shout out to them. Everyone there was so nice when I went in, and it was a funny story because one of the workers that was helping me noticed me from my Reebok Classics campaign that I did here on YouTube. Yeah, this is what it comes in, and then the box is inside. This is a big ass box, honestly. So this is what the box looks like. And as you guys can see, like, it's a pretty beefy box. This is the size of my head, and look at how big this box is. It just comes in this big white box, and in the front it says Balenciaga right there. So inside, let's take this off. You're first greeted with the dust bag, and obviously you guys know what a dust bag is. It's just like for traveling and stuff like that. This is what the dust bag looks like. It's super nice. It's like kind of off-white material, and it just says Balenciaga right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but the actual wrapping paper says like Balenciaga like diagonally throughout, which is a pretty nice touch. I mean, considering the shoe is so damn expensive, I would hope there's like little details like that. You open it up and it's just nicely packaged and stuff. Side, you just get the dust bag, and then you also get the shoes, obviously, and then it comes with an extra pair of laces. So this is the colorway that I got. I don't know if it has a specific name, but this is the one that I got. It's just in this really nice like black, white, tan, almost like dirty cream color with like the red detailing with this nice white and black detailed shoelace. And then, as I mentioned, it comes with an extra pair of shoelaces. So this is the one that this particular colorway comes with. Really like everything about it. Like I said, I've been wanting it for the longest time. I really like all the materials that they use, and just all the details like throughout the shoe is just super crazy. What I will say about this shoe is that even though the price tag is super hefty, I feel like you definitely get what you pay for. Even when I'm just holding the shoe, like I can feel like the quality and like the materials and just like the way that the shoe was like composed. Super excited that I finally like, you know, made the decision to buy it. I'm definitely not one to buy like a ton of like designer stuff. This is actually my first designer purchase. Like I said, I've been wanting it for the longest time. I've been kind of stacking my money for it, and I've been honestly like working really hard to, you know, produce this content for you guys and, you know, just come through with like a ton of videos and stuff like that. And I've been really going like full force on my YouTube channel and stuff. It's been doing well, so I figured, you know, why not just kind of like ring in the new year and treat myself with something that I've been wanting, which was these. And not owning them, I could definitely understand like what all the hype is, and I could definitely understand like why people want them or why a lot of people have them. It's a super sick shoe, and the reason why I held off until now to buy them is because, for one, the price tag was definitely like a little hefty, and two, when the Balenciaga Triple S's first came out, I didn't want to like hop on that wave just yet because I almost kind of wanted to see like if it was gonna stand the time of the trend, if that makes any sense. Like I kind of wanted to see if it was gonna, you know, still be a relevant shoe, because initially when it came out, I was already vibing with it. I already wanted it, but you know, some time has passed and it's still such an iconic shoe. So I feel like, you know, even though the price tag was hefty and even though like it is a very loud and unique shoe, 100% I definitely think this is something that I'm gonna keep for forever, or I hope to. But yeah, like I said, I just really like everything about it. And yeah, that's that. Do me a favor and in the comments down below, let me know from the lookbook which outfit was your favorite. Sound off in the comments down below, like, are you guys feeling the Balenciaga Triple S's? Do you guys like fucking hate them? Let me know your thoughts, because I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, do me a favor and let me know if you guys want that separate in-depth full unboxing and review of the Triple S's, because like I said, this was definitely like an informal type of situation. But you know, if you guys do want like all the details, and if you do want, you know, the close-ups of all the materials and stuff like that, and you know, if you want me to run through like everything it is that you need to know about them, I'll go ahead and make that video for you guys. So just let me know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more content like this. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's just @StevieSal. Yeah, I think that's it. So until next time, peace.